Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make baked donuts and cakesicles. If it's what you like to see and learn, please keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So to start with, we're going to add our vegetable oil into our large bowl, followed by our sugar and then our butter. But in this case I'm using margarine. So for the list of ingredients, you can check the description box below. And now the next I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix the sugar, oil and butter together until it's light and fluffy. Please always remember to scrape down the sides of your bowl when mixing so everything can mix in properly. So next I'm going in with my vanilla flavor and then I'm going to mix it briefly again. So the next thing I'm going to add in is the egg, and I'm going to add them one after the other. Please do give this video a thumbs up and share this video if you're finding it helpful, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So next I'm going in with the flour, and I'm going to alternate the flour with the milk in 3 different batches. And please, at this point, please do not overmix. Now our butter is ready and looking smooth. So the next thing we're going to do is to get our mold, and we're going to pipe our butter into the mold. And yes, you need a mold for this, so you can just go to any baking shop near you. I'm sure you can get one. So you just pipe it carefully, and please don't fill it up to the top because it's going to rise. So you can also use a nozzle to do this, and afterwards just tidy it up and try to level the batter so it all looks flush together. So I'm just going to lightly tap the mold on the table and making sure that it covers the cavity, like everything is well leveled in. So this is my cakesicles. I did this off camera and then I'm just trying to level everything. And now our cakesicles and baked donuts are ready. So you're just going to carefully remove them from the mold. I had some that broke because I was not so patient. So just be patient. If you can allow it to cool down completely, please do so you don't ruin any of the donuts or the cakesicles. And also you can use a knife, a paring knife, to just tidy up the inside and let it look pretty. So here's our cakesicles and our baked donuts all looking pretty. And then the next thing we're going to do now is to decorate them and cover them in chocolate and decorate them. So I've melted my white chocolate and I dropped little vegetable oil inside so it can be a bit runny, and I poured it in this jar. So the jar you're using has to be deep so that your cakesicle can cover evenly. So I'm just going to get my cakesicle and I'm going to dip it into the chocolate and turn it around so it can coat evenly. like so. And then you're just going to get it out and allow the excess to drip back into the jar, and then place it on your plate or your cake board, whichever you're using. So I'm just going to repeat the process until I spread everything. So I forgot to mention, I'm using a compound chocolate, so also you need to chill your cake just a little bit so it doesn't drop crumbs into the chocolate when you're trying to dip it. So just chill it, not for too long, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then you get it out, and then you can just dip immediately. So for the baked donut, you're just going to get a bowl and with some chocolate in it, and then you're just going to cover it and just swirl it around a bit so it can cover the top, and just set it aside and repeat the same process till you've finished everything. So after coating our cakes with chocolate, I'm just going to use a squeeze bottle and just run tiny lines across the Cakesicles and the donuts. You can use a piping bag as well. And then afterwards, I'm just going to add some sprinkles and just make it look pretty. So here is the final look of our baked donut and our Cakesicle. I hope you like this. It looks beautiful and it's delicious. I used it to decorate a birthday cake, and I'm just going to insert the video of how it looks like on the cake. I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and also share this video so others can see it and learn from it as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.